welcome to Ethan Tube. Today, kind of trying to be quiet because we're in the backyard. It's going to be a short video. We found a woodpecker.
Just record the
watch. If you can see it up there.
See that movie thingy?
It's on the wooden column.
And this is at my house.
This is Audrey's house.
And if you look closely, we do have, put it up a little bit. Yeah, we do have a trampoline. And there is silver duct tape up there because the woodpecker already pecked there. So now he's pecking on the other thing, so. And I think Ethan might make some videos of us on the trampoline. Maybe.
Man, that is just so cool.
We came up here to get Ethan's tablet, and
I saw the woodpecker. I'm like, oh my god.
So he called us in. And I'm like, record it, record it.
I'm going to try to get the closest I can. Stay. Guys. As you can see, I don't know if Audrey, she always does that weird face. Dylan. There it is. Just going to try to.
Might be able to get on my porch.
Oh, make two noise. He's noticing us. Dylan.
So we have to stay a distance. I don't know what he wants with my porch.
That is just so cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen a woodpecker in my life.
Yeah, my mom's always said, Audrey, look, there's a woodpecker. And I'm like, where? Then it always flies off. I got to see one on my porch. I never got to see one in real life.
It's just, it looks like it's just whacking its head. Just like,
wasp. Oh, jeez. There's a wasp right there, dude.
where? Oh, where's the wasp? Try to catch that on video too. There's a wasp. Holy.
Should I spray it?
The wasp is on the other side. There's a wasp behind there. I don't know. Oh, there it is. There's a woodpecker. There's a wasp. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Black thing flying in here. Oh,
I know I'm feeling that wasp.
that one. Okay, hope you
For like an hour.
you liked the video. Us videoing a woodpecker. Let's see if it did any damage or anything.
Yeah.
Holy, it did a lot. You can see there's a hole up there. Let me try to get up here. Oh god. Ouch.
Oh, dang. I'm getting my mom, dude.
I'm so sorry. I just need to put this here for a second. Sorry, I don't know. That's the dog's poo right there. I'm sorry.
Guys, my mom's in this.
Can't get it up. Oh, I can see it. Sorry.
Here, Ethan, I'm recording. Here.
Where is it?
I want to see the hole.
That's
Whoa.
right up there.
Here, I got it.
He dug a lot.
I can hear, dude.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Sorry. Oh, yeah.
That's huge.
Dug a hole.
Here, dude. Or Ethan took the long video of a woodpecker, and there's like a hole up there.
Hope you liked the video. See ya.